Welcome back to Vapid Trades, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the one and only MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR. So around 3 hours ago, some big news came out regarding MicroStrategy, which I just wanted to share with you, and I do believe this can be a factor that drives the share price higher in the next few months. But before I get into this video, if you can hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and smash that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. So guys, let's get straight into the news. So Strategy unveils plan to sell 2 billion zero coupon convertible bonds. So it says here, Strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, said it plans to sell 2 billion of bonds that convert into stock. So that is a lot of money, guys. 2 billion. So the convertible debt offering is part of Strategy's audacious plan to raise $42 billion through 2027 to purchase bitcoins, which is again a lot of money. And it's also the company's first convertible bond sale this year. Last year alone, Strategy issued $6.2 billion of convertible debt, the most ever issued by a single company in a calendar year, according to Bank of America. The bonds will mature in March 2030 and pay no interest. They will be unsecured senior obligations, meaning they aren't backed by collateral but rank above junior debts and equity in the queue for repayments. The software company turned itself into a Bitcoin whale and now owns about $46 billion of the cryptocurrency, and shares of Strategy are up 15% this year. So guys, wow, that is a lot of money, and you can see the long-term vision that MicroStrategy have for Bitcoin. And as I mentioned many times, the higher Bitcoin goes, the higher MicroStrategy will go. Of course, the recent price action hasn't been too great for Bitcoin. However, a positive is, if you go on the daily, the price of MicroStrategy did hold up really well. So we didn't even get into that 320 support zone that I did discuss in our previous videos. It held above it really nicely, barely budged. Lowest price was 327 and it closed at around 333. So right now Bitcoin is behaving a little bit. We've come to a key level at 93k for Bitcoin, which means if we do continue to around 100k, 102k, which I do believe we should see in the next few weeks, and if a MicroStrategy can get above this level here at around 350, 351, 352, I do believe we should see higher prices in the short term at around 400, 406. But I know a lot of you guys here are investing long term, so you wouldn't care about a $404 price target. You're looking for the thousands plus. So if we look at the stock right now, let me just go on the weekly, actually give you guys a better picture. I'm gonna have the drawing. So as I have mentioned many times, if we do come to this level here at around 275 to 220, MicroStrategy is a screaming buy should we come to those levels, and that is all dependent on Bitcoin. If it loses 90k, as I've shown you guys before, lose this level here around 90k, and we're coming down to 80k, which will line up with MicroStrategy going for that 275 to 220 price. However, should we remain above here, remain above 300, 310, there is actually a bull flag forming on this weekly. So if I just get this arrow out to draw that for you guys, my bad, let me just hide that. I'll just use the pen instead. So if you can see here, it's not going to work, is it? Okay, so as you can see here, we've got this impulsive move up to 500 MicroStrategy. However, right now we can see that price is starting to consolidate. So we've got this little downwards consolidation. We come to the support level at around 300. So what we can see here is essentially just a nice little bull flag forming here on the weekly. So I'm sure you guys can see that. So right now we're in the middle of the bull flag, pretty sure no man's land, but as I mentioned many times, we've got the support here at 320. So the idea is now for us to hold this 320 level and break above, retest and break higher, and hopefully retest that 500, 530 price in the next few weeks. And as I mentioned many times, I've got a 700 price target for MicroStrategy, 900, and then 1100. But I do believe we can see much higher prices in the next 5 years. As I mentioned many times, MicroStrategy do have a long-term vision for Bitcoin, and the way they're looking to buy so much more, I'm not surprised if they do have a prediction of around 300 to 500k for Bitcoin in the next few years, by 2030 at least. So again, I'll just tell you guys how much I love the stock and how much I'm looking to load up. Should we hold these levels and also get these low prices here, I will be adding with everything I've got for the future to come. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, again smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest market updates and buying opportunities, and I'll catch you all in the next video.